If you want to download a presentation from the Gamma app, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to export your slides in just a few clicks. Whether you want a PDF, a PowerPoint file, or another format, Gamma makes it pretty simple once you know where to look. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump into it. First, open the Gamma presentation that you want to download. Make sure you're inside the exact deck you want to export because the download options are tied to that specific presentation. Once it's open, look toward the top of the screen for the share button, the export option, or the three-dot menu. Gamma can place the export controls in slightly different spots depending on the layout or your device. So if you do not see it right away, take a second to scan the top toolbar carefully. After you find the export or menu option, click it to open the available sharing and download settings. This is where Gamma gives you the options for saving your presentation outside of the app. In most cases, you'll see choices like export, download, or share as a file. Select the download or export option to continue. Next, Gamma will ask you to choose the file format you want. This step is important because the format you pick depends on how you plan to use the presentation. If you want something easy to open and print, PDF is usually the best choice. If you want to edit the slides later in Microsoft PowerPoint or another presentation tool, choose PowerPoint or the compatible file format Gamma provides. Take a moment to pick the format that fits your needs before moving on. Once you've selected the format, click Export or Download to start the process. Gamma will now prepare your file in the background. Depending on the size of the presentation and how many slides it contains, this can take a few seconds or a little longer. Just wait for Gamma to finish generating the file. Do not close the page too early because the export needs time to complete. When the file is ready, your browser or device should automatically download the presentation to your computer. If a download prompt appears, confirm it and choose where you want to save the file if needed. After that, you can open the downloaded file from your downloads folder and check that everything exported correctly, and that's it. You've now downloaded your Gamma presentation in the format you selected. It's a fast process once you know where the export option is, and it can save you a lot of time when you need to share, print, or edit your slides elsewhere. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.